What's going on, Unbox Nation? Hope you guys are doing great as always. In today's video, we will be unboxing and reviewing APEMAN C420 Mini Dashcam. We will talk about its specifications, demonstrate all the controls, features, and also show you the actual APEMAN C420 footage at the end. If you're new to our channel or not, please subscribe, hit the bell button. This will help us to tell whether or not our video was helpful to you guys and that all of our hard work of making these videos didn't go to waste. Also, please don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers interested in this product. As you can see, guys, it comes in a nice slate gray or dark gray box, whatever you want to call the color, displaying the camera on top. Now, let's take a look what's on the inside of the box. Oops. I ripped it a little bit and it seems like the camera has turned on by itself. So what do we have here? It seems to be like there's some sort of share your experience card. Probably warranty and user manual. Also here we have a camera. And what do we have in this last box? Okay, this last box holds the suction mount cup, car charger, and micro USB cable. And also a reset pin. I don't know if you guys can see it. There you go. Now let's talk about specifications, guys. This camera has a resolution of Full HD 1080p at 30 frames per second. It also has a parking mode, wide angle view at 170 degrees, loop recording. It supports maximum SD card of 32 gigabytes. The LCD screen is 2 inches. It has a built-in microphone, built-in speaker, and it weighs approximately around 11 ounces. The item's dimensions is 2 inches by 1.6 by 0.4. And it also comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. When it comes to the design, one thing I really love about APEMAN C420 Mini Dashcam is that it's lightweight and has mini design. It feels high quality made, not like some other dash cameras, and it can be perfectly hidden behind the rear mirror. The buttons are fairly large on such a small dash cam, making the product more user-friendly for the customer. The 2.0-inch display is clear and concise, making it easier to use during sunny days or bright situations. Guys, smash that like button if you like the smaller design of this camera, and comment down below telling me why or why not you prefer a certain size when it comes to dash cameras. Alright guys, let's talk about ports and buttons functions right now. So on the top we have a power port and mounting groove. On the left side you have a microphone, rear camera interface, which is optional, and micro SD card slot. On the bottom you have a speaker, and on the right side is where your buttons are located. So this is your up button, this is menu and mode button, down button, and power and OK button. And of course the 2 inches screen on the back. To power on the camera, you have to simply press and hold the power button. If you press the menu button, it will take you into your features menu. As you can see here, you have resolution, loop recording, WDR, exposure, motion detection, audio, timestamp, gravity sensor, parking guard, headlight warning, and back to the resolution. And if you press the menu button one more time, it will take you into your settings menu. This is where you have settings like date and time, auto power off, beep sound, language, frequency, screensaver, license plate, format, default settings, and version of your camera. If you press and hold the menu button, it will switch between the modes. As you can see now, it went into the photo mode. Now it's in your playback mode. And back to the video recording mode. Your down button also serves as a mute button of the microphone. So once you press it, as you can see, I unmuted the microphone. And when you press it again, it mutes the microphone. When it comes to the power button, it also acts as an OK button. So every time you'd like to select something in the menu, go ahead and press the power button, and it will take you into that particular setting. If you'd like to get out this specific menu, you press the menu button again, and it takes you to your previous page. Guys, smash that like button if you think these controls are pretty straightforward, and comment down below if you think you might have issues using them, and tell us why. APEMAN C420 also has some great features like super night vision. It is equipped with an f1.8 large aperture. C420 dashcam provides 1080p full HD recording during the day and night. It is equipped with a wide-angle camera of 170 degrees and can monitor up to 3 lanes of traffic. Also, it has 24/7 reassuring all-weather monitoring. The car recorder includes motion detection and parking monitoring. It automatically starts recording when it detects a collision or shakes, giving you a peace of mind in a difficult situation. Loop recording, the dash cam overrides the oldest videos to ensure continuous recording. And G sensor. When a shock or collision is detected, the camera will lock the current video and prevent it from being overwritten. Now guys, let's take a look at the actual dashcam footage. As you can see, despite the weather not trying to cooperate with me during the recording of this footage, APEMAN C420 really worked up to its promises. Thanks to the large aperture and 1080p HD video quality, the footage really does look good and clean. Also, because of the 170-degree camera angle, I would say you can see more than 3 lanes of traffic, both during the day and night recording. I included both of the day and night recordings for you guys, and I will also put them side by side so you can really compare them. So guys, please smash that like button if you think the video quality is great, and comment down below your thoughts about the actual footage. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed it anyway, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers interested in this product. Subscribe and don't forget to smash the bell button to be notified for future awesome helpful content. And remember, guys, it does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. So never give up and keep pushing forward.